The 5-day MVP workshop is specifically designed to bring about a mutual understanding so as to direct the team to one goal, focus upon the most significant problem, and derive a solution out of it. Closing the loop and making it a lot smaller, validating and getting data on a product or an idea before spending all your time and money is what our MVP in a Week program does, accelerating the move from strategy to results. We have it all planned out for you. Day 1 is about aligning the team to one goal and mapping the journey for it. On Day 2, we focus on solutions and creation of a concept idea. Day 3 is storyboarding the concept, and Day 4 is prototyping and finally user testing on Day 5. That sounds like a lot, but we have it all sorted with creative activities and discussions that make it all very smooth to follow along. Let's get started.